Okay, are you guys ready for this? I'm weather forecaster Patrick Sumner. Here comes our song. Are you ready? I've been waiting for this all day. Here we go. Ready? Now. Yeah. You guys guess what it is? Come on. Oh, I know. It pumps me up. Come on. Here we go. Woo! Absolutely. Woo! I don't know how to sing this, at least most of it. Almost guilty. Human beings. I love it. Such human beings. Shine on, shine on. Shine on, shine on. Woo! Oh, as much as I love that song, we should probably stop now. This is a minute and 39 seconds already into this, so I'm going to stop. But that is our song for today. And most of you will be singing that for the rest of the day. I know the song I did yesterday, most people were singing that. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Okay, I'll stop that because most of you are probably over my singing yesterday. But that is our new song today. That's Van Halen, Humans Beings. If you guys have never watched Twister before, that's the song that pumps me up. Because I love to chase storms, and so that is my storm chasing song. Why do I bring this song up today? Well, the threat continues, and the potential continues to increase for a significant and severe weather outbreak over the Ohio Valley and Tennessee valleys, down to the south. Actually, the threat seems to be increasing for tornadoes as well, at least for a portion of that severe weather area from the Ohio Valley south into the deep south area. So this is beginning to look like a pretty significant event now. So this is the time to get ready, the time to prepare. Most of you will be out and about this weekend, so you may not be able to buy a TV or a NOAA weather radio or anything or a radio at all. And so let me get the warning out here for you on Friday at 2:05 p.m. that a significant severe weather outbreak looms likely now for Monday afternoon and evening, it looks like, and maybe as late as the overnight, but it looks like we may be pushing this up late afternoon into the evening hours. And so I'm also concerned, guys, the computer models are just coming in absolutely phenomenal with wind shear about a mile in the up in the atmosphere, over 100 miles an hour, according to the GFS. That is uncommon. It's not usual to see those kinds of winds just a mile up. And so those can translate to the surface 60, 70, 80, even 90 miles an hour. So this could end up being quite the widespread damaging wind event as well as we head into Monday afternoon and Monday evening, and maybe as late as the overnight in our far eastern counties. And so prepare now. If you don't have a NOAA weather radio, please get one. It's going to be important as we head into the weekend on into the Monday, that you watch your local TV stations, that you keep updated to my page. Also, if you can, become a fan of Ohio Valley WeatherNet if you already haven't. I am actually an administrator over there. Very good people over there. I just got done having a pretty good conversation yesterday on Chatsy. So head on over to Ohio Valley WeatherNet. Just type that in the search box up at the top of Facebook there and become a fan of their page. Just a very organized page. Lots of good weather information on that page. And so head on over there. They would appreciate that, and I would appreciate that as well, as I'm one of the administrators over there too. So nonetheless, a severe weather outbreak is looming for early next week. I expect the SPC to really hone down on what kind of threats we're dealing with tomorrow in their day 3 outlook. But I expect it will be all modes, including tornadoes, very large hail, and straight line damaging winds from again the Ohio Valley all the way to the Deep South. In fact, Dr. Greg Forbes just released his outlook, and I thought this was interesting, so I thought I would go ahead and read it to you guys real quick for Monday. And you will not believe the real estate he is covering for Monday. And so let's take a look at that real quick. Severe thunderstorm and tornado outbreak in central and southern Michigan, all the way north there. Indiana, Ohio, extreme western New York, western Pennsylvania, northwestern West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, north and west Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, east and southern Illinois, southeast Oklahoma, east Texas, southeast Missouri. Severe thunderstorms will then spread overnight across west and central New York, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, west and central North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida Panhandle, and could be strong tornadoes. And so that is a very large area, pretty much the whole eastern seaboard impacted by this significant storm system that is just now beginning to enter the west coast of the United States. And so this storm is nothing to play around with. It's going to be very strong. Cape values still looking good, lifting indices on all the models. They did drop a little bit last night on the 00Z GFS, but I believe they have gone back up as of 12Z GFS today. The values have gone back up to that 1,000 and 1,500 JKG. Cape values lifted indices -4, -5, and so we're still looking at pretty good ingredients for a significant severe weather outbreak, not to mention a mile off the ground, over 100-mile-per-hour winds. And so that's just very impressive for this time of year, guys, and it is something to take very seriously. So please prepare now for a significant severe weather outbreak on Monday. No weather radio. Please go over your severe weather plans and just get ready. It doesn't mean it's going to hit every town or every city, but nonetheless, we want to get your city and your town ready just in case that you do have to deal with severe weather on Monday. So please prepare accordingly, and I'll have a lot more, and this is only my first update out of 2 updates today. And don't forget to become a fan of Ohio Valley WeatherNet, Patrick Sumner's weather page also, if you aren't already a fan. So have a God bless day, guys. I'll have more a little bit later.